Let's say it again. The first one is quick.
Quick.
Quick or fast. Let me give you the example. Quick or quickly. Quickly. 时间很快。时间 means
time.
time. Time goes fast.
Yeah.
Goes quickly. Okay, so 快 or 快走。
Go fast.
Yes, go fast. Go fast. So 快走。So if it is used as a adverb, you can change it to 快一点。It also means quickly. But there are some several differences between 快走 and 快一点走。快走 means the person who's listening to me doesn't move. It's not moving. So for example, here it is very dangerous. Please go now. So here we have to use 快走.
Yeah.
快走. But that person, your friend, is moving. But I think you go too slowly. So go quickly, go fast. So 快一点走. 快一点走. Okay, so this one, somebody is moving. Okay, another one. 快 here, if there is a time here, time, and there should be a 了. 快8点了. 快8点了. Here it means nearly or almost. Almost nearly. It's nearly 8 o'clock. 我快20岁了. So what's the meaning? 我快20岁了.
I'm almost 20 years.
Yes, I'm almost 20 years old. So here, if there's a time or age, it means nearly or almost. Okay. So here in this lesson, it means quick, fast or quickly. Okay.